All right, here's my setup. Right now I have an empty styrofoam cup with a thermometer. There's nothing in there. I just went over to the sink and I got about 30 mils of just regular tap water right out of the sink. So this is just room temperature, cooler water. So I'm gonna put that in here so that we can get a reading or a temperature just on that tap water. So you can see it's reading about 24.7 degrees Celsius. Now over here, I've been letting these washers sit in this hot water. So these would be similar, these washers are our pipes. These are really hot, and I'm gonna try to get an initial reading on that. So I'm just gonna use my other digital thermometer. I'm gonna bring this up and I'm gonna put the tip of it in. I'm not sure how good of a view you're getting, but I will be able to tell you it's at about 70 degrees. So these are 70 degrees Celsius. They're pretty hot right now. So we want to watch what's going to happen when I put this hot washer, this hot pipe, make it make contact with this cooler room temperature water. So we have our initial temps. Let's see what happens. So I'm just going to take this. I'm going to make sure that it lays flat in the cup. And again, this thermometer is taking the reading of the water, whereas this thermometer, I'm gonna have take the reading of just the washer. And I'm gonna bring it over so you get a better view of what's going on. And if I put it overhead, you see this is taking the temp of the washer, this is taking the temp of the water. And you're looking for patterns, making your noticings. Then I'll just give you that overhead view so you remember which is which. Washer thermometer, water thermometer. See, we're about nearing the end here.